Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you find your X or Twitter account username and password, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I will show you two different methods on how can you do exactly that. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. For the first method, we need to go ahead and open your Gmail application. Make sure you are logged in with the Gmail that you used in creating your Twitter account. Then tap right here in the top left corner on these three lines, and then choose all inboxes at the very top. From here you can go ahead and simply search for Twitter in the top right here, and then try to find a notification sent to you by Twitter in this Gmail. Here is one. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on it to open it. And here is the notification or the message. Basically what we need to do from here is to tap on me right here under Twitter, and here is your name or username will be displayed right here, and next to it there will be your Gmail as well. Now that is the first method. For the second one, go back to the main screen of Gmail and tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture, and then from here just tap on manage your Google account right here. You'll be taken to the screen. Simply from here swipe until you find the security category right here, tap on it, and then from here go ahead and scroll down until you find the password manager. And here it is, guys. Go ahead and tap on the password manager to open it. From here you can go ahead and tap on the search box and simply search for Twitter. Once you find Twitter, tap on it, and here you find the username, and right under it the password. All you need to do to reveal the password is to tap on this eye icon and you should be good to go. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.